Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 4 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can use cover page in MS Word. The cover page represents the main highlighted part of your document that contains the document title, pictures, company logo, or information about the document file, etc. So, let's see how we can do this. Here, you can see random texts written on the document, and there are many words in this document. Here, we are going to add a cover page. To do this, go to Insert and Cover Page. Now here, select the type of cover page you want, and then edit it as per your need. To remove a cover page from the document, simply go to Insert and then Cover Page, and then select Remove Current Cover Page. And, as you can see, cover page has been removed. So, this is how you can use cover page in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.